Now we will see one example based on these formulas. Here we want to find out the LCM of 18 and 27 and then find the HCF of these two numbers. Now firstly we will find out the LCM and then we will find the HCF of given these two numbers. For finding LCM we will use the short division method. Here we can see that 18 and 27 both are divisible by 3. So we will divide it by 3. 3 8 3 6 are 18. 3 9s are 27. Again 6 and 9 are divisible by 3. So 3 is 2 and 3. Now 2 and 3 are not divisible by any number. So the LCM of 18 and 27. LCM of 18 and 27 is equal to. Now the LCM of 18 and 27 is equal to product of all these numbers, means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which gives us 54. So the LCM of 18 and 27 is 54. Now we want to find out the HCF of these two numbers. We know HCF can be found out by using this formula: first number multiplied by second number and divided by LCM. So we will put first number is 18 multiplied by 27 and dividing by the LCM, that is 54. We know 18 3s are 54, so it gives us 27 upon 3. 18 3s are 54, so 80 3s are 54, which gives us 27 upon 3, and 3 can divide 27 and it gives us 9. So the HCF of 18 and 27 is 9. Therefore HCF of 18 and 27 is 9. Here the LCM is 54 and the HCF is 9 for 18 and 27. In this way we can use these formulas. First formula was first number is equals to LCM multiplied by HCF divided by the second number. In the same way second number can be found out by the dividing the product of LCM and HCF by first number. Then LCM can be found out by using this formula, that is first number multiplied by second number divided by HCF, and the HCF is equals to first number multiplied by second number and divided by LCM. In this way we can find out the LCM, HCF or first and second number. If we have given more than two numbers, then also we can use these formulas. Now we will see some word problems based on the LCM and HCF. Here is the question: find the greatest number that will divide 37, 56 and 93, leaving the remainders 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Next we want to find out the number which will divide these numbers by leaving the remainder 1, 2 and 3. That is, we want to find out the number which divides 37 minus 1, 56 minus 2 and 93 minus 3. So to find out, we have to find out the HCF of these numbers. And the numbers are 37 minus 1, 56 minus 2 and 93 minus 3. That is, we want to find out the HCF of 36, 54 and 90. For this, firstly we will find out the HCF of 36 and 54, and then we will compare the HCF of these two numbers with the 90 and find out the HCF of those two numbers. Firstly the HCF of 36 and 54. Now to find out the HCF of 36 and 54, firstly we will divide the greater number by the smaller number. So it gives us minus 36, it gives us it gives us 18. Now we have to divide we have to divide 36 by 18. That is the first divisor by the first remainder. So 18 2s are 36. So we get here the remainder 0. So 18 is the LCM of 36 and 54. Therefore, the LCM of 36 and 54 is 18. Now we have to find out the HCF of 36 and 54 is 18. Now we will find out the HCF of 18 and 90. So for this also we will divide the greater number by the smaller number. Now 18 5s are 90. Here we get the remainder 0. So the HCF of 18 and 90 is 5. So the HCF of all these three numbers, therefore HCF of 36, 54 and 90 is 5. In this way we can find out the LCM or LCF. Thank you.